Hey everyone, Aaron here, and today I'm talking about ClickUp. If you're still using traditional project management tools or considering options like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know why ClickUp might just be the perfect fit for you. Alright, let's jump right in. First off, what is ClickUp? In simple terms, ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform designed to replace all the separate tools you're currently using for planning, tracking, and collaborating on projects. One of the biggest advantages of ClickUp is that it's an all-in-one solution. Unlike other tools where you might need to integrate multiple apps to get all the features you need, ClickUp comes fully loaded with everything built in. This means tasks, docs, goals, chat, and more are all in one place. Look at this. You can manage tasks, create documents, set goals, and even chat with your team without leaving ClickUp. Imagine the time and hassle saved by not having to switch between different platforms. Next up is customization. ClickUp is incredibly flexible and can be tailored to fit your exact needs. Whether you're a solo freelancer, like so, part of a small team, or running a large enterprise, ClickUp can adapt to your workflow. You can customize your views, create custom statuses, and even build your workflows. This level of customization means you can make ClickUp work exactly the way you want it to, without having to adjust your processes to fit the tool. When it comes to task management, ClickUp truly shines. You can break down tasks into subtasks, create checklists, and set priorities and due dates. Plus, the task dependencies feature allows you to manage complex projects with ease. You can create tasks by clicking the plus add task button, then assign them to team members, set due dates and priorities, and add descriptions. To create documents, click the docs icon in the sidebar. These docs allow you to create, share, and collaborate directly within ClickUp. To set goals, navigate to the goals section in the sidebar, create new goals, set targets, and link them to specific tasks or projects. For communication, use ClickUp's chat feature by clicking the chat icon and start a new chat or join existing ones directly within the platform. It's easy to create a task, assign it to a team member, set a due date, and add dependencies. Everything is intuitive and right at your fingertips. Now, even though ClickUp aims to replace multiple tools, it still plays well with others. ClickUp integrates seamlessly with over 1,000 other apps, including Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, and many more. With these integrations, you can bring all your essential tools into one place, making ClickUp a true command center for your projects. Another reason to consider ClickUp is its affordability. Compared to other project management tools, ClickUp offers a very competitive pricing structure. They even have a generous free plan that's perfect for individuals and small teams. Check out these plans. Whether you're just starting out or need advanced features for a large team, there's a plan that fits your budget. Plus, the free plan comes with more features than some paid plans from other tools. Effective collaboration is key to successful project management, and ClickUp excels here too. With built-in chat, comment sections on tasks, and collaborative document editing, your team can communicate and work together seamlessly. Look at this. You can chat in real time, leave comments on tasks, and even edit documents together. No more switching between your project management tool and a separate chat app. Tracking progress and measuring success is crucial for any project. ClickUp's goal tracking and reporting features help you stay on top of your objectives and ensure you're meeting your targets. With ClickUp, you can set goals, track progress, and generate detailed reports. This makes it easy to see how your team is performing and where you might need to make adjustments. A tool is only as good as its usability. ClickUp's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find it simple to use. Just look at this dashboard. Everything is laid out clearly and the learning curve is minimal. Plus, there are plenty of resources and tutorials to help you get started. Last but not least, ClickUp is constantly evolving. The team behind ClickUp is dedicated to continuous improvement, regularly releasing updates and new features based on user feedback. The ClickUp team is always working to enhance the platform and add new functionalities, ensuring that you always have the best tools at your disposal. There you have it, 9 compelling reasons why ClickUp stands out from the crowd. From its all-in-one approach and customization options to powerful task management and affordable pricing, ClickUp offers a comprehensive solution that can transform your project management experience. Whether you're managing personal projects, coordinating with a small team, or overseeing a large-scale operation, ClickUp provides the flexibility, features, and support you need to succeed. But don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself. You'll find the link in the description. As I said earlier, ClickUp offers a free plan that lets you explore all the core features. And if you like what you see, the paid plans are extremely reasonable, with even more advanced features to help you manage your projects like a pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and reviews on the best productivity tools out there. And if you're already using ClickUp, let us know in the comments how it's working for you. I'll see you in the next one.